Hello and welcome! In this how to draw video, we're going to be drawing on Peppa Pig's friends.
Pedro Pony!
Pedro Pony, that's right. Alright, so we hope you follow along and have lots of fun. Are you ready to get started?
Yes!
Okay, let's go. Alrighty, so we've got our paper, we've got our pen. Let's start drawing.
Marker?
Yes, our markers. First thing we're going to draw is Pedro Pony's head. It's going to be a nice oval shape, so we'll just draw it here. Nice big circle, or oval I should say. There we go. Awesome, good job. Alright, so let's draw the details inside Pedro's head. The first thing we're going to do is draw his glasses. So he wears glasses, so I'm going to draw one circle here. And
one circle here.
Another circle next to it.
And do some lines.
Yeah, so we're going to draw a little line in between the two circles, so it joins the glasses together. And then another line that sticks out here, just a little bit outside his head. And that's the side of his glasses. Alright, so next part we'll draw is on the side here. If you remember, Pedro Pony has got you've got 3 spots.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah. And 2 of them sit right on the edge of his face, so they're kind of half a circle. It's just like horses. A pony is a type of horse, so it can be quite colourful. Sometimes they're all different colours.
It's got one there.
Yeah. Next thing we'll draw is his nose. Again, it's another nice circle here.
Pedro Pony has a lot of circles.
And then inside we'll draw his nostrils, so another
dot.
2 circles there. So you can see the shape is made up of lots of circles. Now, one thing we've forgotten is to draw his pupils in his eyes. Oh my gosh.
That looks so funny.
That is hilarious. There we go. So he can actually see now. That's good. Alright, and we're going to draw his ears. His ears...
It's an upside down U.
It's an upside down U, so it's a nice shape like that. And so we'll draw those just above the eyes. 1, 2.
All looking like bunny ears.
Yeah, well, very small bunny ears. Next thing we'll draw is his mouth. So it's a big U shape like that, and then along the top we'll do a small curve to join the shape. It's a big smiley face, open mouth, and we can draw another semicircle in there like you've already done that.
For his tongue.
For his tongue, yeah. So he looks very happy pony. Alright, so let's draw his body. And it's a nice big circle again, and part of it is going to be covered by his head. So we'll just draw on the side here, go down and around and up like that. So there we go, nice and simple shape. Let's draw his arms. Arms are nice and easy, kind of like stick figure arms. And then we'll do another one on the other side there as well. Okay, and of course, since Pedro is a pony, he's got a tail, so we're going to draw a tail.
3 lines.
You're going to do 3 lines, because it's kind of, they're quite a long and bushy sort of tail like that. That kind of looks like a ponytail.
I like to do lines at the end.
Yeah, you can do that as well. Next, and the last thing we need to do is his feet and his legs. So, feet are nice and easy. It's just an oval shape, looks like a
rice bean.
Yeah, it looks like a grain of rice or something. And then from there, we draw a line up into his body there. And then we do the same on the other side. Just like that.
Done.
Done. So we've done all the lines, and now it's time to colour in. And we're back. So we've finished colouring them in. I think they look wonderful. And what have you done with yours?
I put it dots and stuff doing a yellow shirt.
So yes, it's wearing a very colourful spotty shirt or jacket. That looks awesome. Are you happy with that?
Yes.
Yeah, I think it looks great. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you had a wonderful time drawing with us. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Also, check out our channel. We've got other Peppa Pig videos for you to watch as well. So thanks for watching. I'll see you again next time.
Bye.